Listen to the wind howl, watching the trees bounce around. It is a windy day out there. 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts we're having. You're probably hearing it right now, but look at the trees bounce around back there. Okay, I just, if anybody saw our failed attempts on a live show, we're having some internet issues at the time when we did live. I had to take down the cell phone video because it was so horrendous. I don't know, I haven't decided on the other video I tried to do. We talked about collab videos and all that stuff. But, yeah, we are having internet issues again today due to high winds. Yes, Angie's not home right now. We just killed the lights. Let me turn on the light anyway so you guys can see me better. Whoa! Scary, isn't it? Also, it's not helping with my internet connection. When my OneDrive is updating, 7 vlogs files that we have on our computer at the same time. That's also could be affecting how we go on and off the internet. I would believe so. If you're an expert, leave it down in the comments down below. And after I was going to do a live show, I was going to do an errand today because if it's raining now with this high winds. We're gonna stay in. Yeah, this high winds has been a problem when it came to our internet connections. It's really bad connections today for some reason. Every time we have high winds, we have bad connections. This is a good thing why we're 2 days delayed. That's on our videos. That's the main thing. Because I sure hate to upload a video had to go live at 7 o'clock tonight with this high winds that we're having.
Hello, YouTube.
Oh, you made it home. Didn't fly away home, did you?
No, but it's very windy out, guys.
Yeah, it did interfere with our live show somewhat.
It did?
Yeah, I keep losing connections, and I'm still having issues watching YouTube videos off and on.
Aww.
Because you get that white swirly thing every so often, and that tells me that there's connection problems usually. Yeah, and your phone's going off.
It's getting cut up.
So that's how long ago we've been off air since we did that pathetic live show. We're going to try it again. I don't know if you have seen it on Sunday, but we'll try it again eventually. Yeah, kind of just want to watch the weather. Well, we're going to finish our video. It's been a gloomy day today. Wet, rainy, windy still. You can still see the trees going about and back around and that. So, yeah. And I'm still having issues with my internet because I don't know if it's the wiring here or somewhere down the line or wherever, but we're going to wrap up this video. I got to get it edited, rendered, and get it uploaded. Hopefully. Hopefully, keep your fingers crossed. That's not the same shirt that you started the vlog with me.
I know.
Did you have a boo-boo?
Yep.
With what?
I squeezed my pop and it went all over.
You mean you squeezed it?
Chuck, don't!
You squeezed it, huh?
I went like that and I forgot the lid was off.
And
so I had a pop bath.
You had a pop bath.
Yep.
Okay. Good for you.
Yep.
At least you're going to be sleeping sticky, right?
Yep.
Okay.
It's okay, though.
You probably take a shower. All right. See you in the morning. Or how about this? We'll see everybody tomorrow, right?
Yes.
All right.
Please like, share, subscribe. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hopefully our internet will act a little better, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's been windy today.